Hello, it's Brit. We've got autumn now, so today we're going to make some very pretty colored autumn leaves. The first thing we need is a maple leaf, so let's go outdoors and see if we can find one. Here's a good maple, so let's see if there's a good leaf too. This one is good. Look, it has the right size and it has no holes. Let's take it. Except the maple leaf, we also need wax pencils and a sheet of clean white paper. We place the leaf, the backside up, under our sheet of paper. And then, with a wax stick, we rub yellow, orange or red over our leaves so we get autumn colors. At last you can cut it out. We replace the leaf and cut out the lines we have painted. This is how our little maple leaf should look like. Also nice looking are birch leaves or oak leaves. I hope you had great fun making these autumn leaves. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!